According to connective tissue, it is the most abundant, widely disturbed tissue in the body, and it in various forms. Connective tissue has variety of functions. It binds together, supports and strengthens other body tissues. Are not only heart tissue, it are other body tissues. It protects, insulates internal organs, compartmentalized like this. Fibrous pericardium is comparting the heart, covering of the heart, and it insulates internal organs. It also compartmentalizes structures such as skeletal muscles, serves as a major transport system within the body. It also serves as a major transport system within the body. And blood is also a connective tissue. It is a fluid connective tissue, not a solid connective tissue. Blood is a fluid connective tissue. It is a primary location of stored energy reserve. It is also a primary source of stored energy reserves, adipose tissue or fat tissue, and is a main source of immune response. So it is very important. If you think about dense connective tissues, you have to say about blood, because it is a fluid connective tissue and it is inside the heart, and it is pumped from the heart. So the fibrous pericardium also helps in prevents overfilling of the heart. If fluid builds up in the pericardial cavity, it can inhibit effective pumping. It inhibits effective pumping. It is also called cardiac tamponade. As you can see, fluids build up in pericardial cavity. If fluids build up in pericardial cavity is a condition, it inhibits the effective pumping, cardiac tamponade. Next is serous pericardium, the second layer of pericardium. Serous pericardium. It is one continuous sheet with two layers. It is a one continuous sheet with two layers. So it's a one continuous sheet with two layers. Though the parietal layer, serous pericardium contains two layers. The parietal layer, it lines the internal surface of the fibrous pericardium. It lines the internal surface of the fibrous pericardium. The internal surface of the pericardium is lined by parietal layer. Next is visceral layer, aka epicardium. So the visceral layer is the epicardium, lines the external heart surface. So parietal layer is inside heart layer and visceral layer is external heart surface, also known as epicardium. Next is layers of the heart wall. The epicardium, also known as the visceral layer of serous pericardium. Next is myocardium. Myocardium is the muscle of the heart, the layer that contracts. Myocardium is the layer which contracts during expansion of the heart or contraction of the heart. The muscle property is also help in contraction and relaxation. So myocardium is the muscle. Endocardium is the visceral layer of serous pericardium. Next is endocardium.